Hi, welcome to Yusof Ishak Secondary School, the first President School. My name is Tay Pei Yun. I'm the HOD ICT, and I'd like to tell you more about our school's one-to-one computing program. So our ICT vision and mission is to prepare our Yusofians to be confident, curious, and lifelong learners in the 21st century.
The one-to-one computing program extends from Sec 1 to 3 students.
Each student will be required to bring their own learning devices to school.
Each student needs to bring their own devices to school.
Each student will be responsible for the use and care of their own learning device.
Our school has implemented one-to-one computing since 2013, and since then our students and staff have enjoyed learning in an ICT-based instructional classroom. So as I know that teachers are the key to open up a great classroom learning environment for the students, so it's important to look at how training has been conducted for the teachers so far.
It's actually easier for me as a student to complete projects and assignments assigned by teachers. For example, some of us don't actually have the electronic devices or computers at home to complete the project.
There are a lot of project works that need to be done, and basically by the use of Chromebook, it is actually far more efficient as we can actually collaborate with our teammates without physically meeting them over the holidays. Especially, we can actually use Insta messages to communicate with our friends online and discuss the things that need to be done in the project. And these students will be exposed to a more wider variety of learning in the internet, which is in today's world is very important. I believe that the students will adapt to these changes, as for example, if the students were to go to poly or JC in their tertiary education, they will use a lot of computers actually than the traditional way of learning.
One way to do it is I'm proposing this model called Climb. Climb stands for customizing, learning, ICT, mentoring, building teachers' competency in the area of the use of ICT. This model can allow teachers to chart their progression over time, and they can chart it based on their readiness, their comfort level. You can see that they can measure the growth over time. So as you can see from the chart, top level refers to teachers who are ready to try out and innovate in their classroom. We term these teachers as Chongster, a Singaporean term to describe people who are very ready to take on challenges. The next two tiers are our OK La and Newbie groups of teachers. So after the Chongster level, we will have the OK Las and Newbie groups of teachers. They can work their way up. As you can see in the picture, it's in the form of a mountain. These teachers can work their way up to become a Chongster someday. There's no pressure in terms of identifying themselves at each level, because this model is very self-explanatory and it's quite self-directed in its own way. At the bottom of the mountain, you can see that there are school-based trainings that shows the generic training that they can reach out to all staff. In the creation of a Bitmoji logo as a form of a pledge, teachers will set the direction that they would like to have for the entire year, and then revisit this at the end of the year to check on the gaps and identify what can be done to ensure that there's improvement in their classroom instructions. Let me give you an example now of a staff who is a Chongster and is seeking opportunities to learn from other teachers through an open classroom platform. The teacher that opens up the classroom will does the role modeling to allow other observers in his or her classroom. As you can see, there are teachers observing. VR, virtual reality, has been conducted in the classroom. I hope that with this, all our efforts in training the staff, school will progress to have more fun, innovative ICT-based lessons, and we will be able to build up a rich repository through the efforts of our teachers. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye!